Cat baby kitten, dog baby puppy, cow baby calf, tiger baby calf, lion baby calf, elephant baby calf, horse baby foal, sheep baby lamb, deer baby fawn, zebra baby foal, camel baby calf, bear baby calf. Water animal baby name: crocodile baby hatchling, dolphin baby calf, CALF, hippopotamus baby calf, shark baby pup, turtle baby hatchling, octopus baby larva. Insect baby name: spider baby spiderling, ant baby fly, mosquito baby fly, ant baby fly, mosquito baby, ant baby larva, mosquito baby larva, fly baby larva, mosquito baby larva, fly baby larva, ant baby larva, bee baby larva, lizard baby hatchling, HATCHLING, grasshopper baby nymph, NYMPH, honeybee baby larva. Duck baby duckling, eagle baby eaglet, peacock baby peachick, owl baby owlet, crow baby chick, sparrow baby chick, nightingale baby chick, woodkeeper baby chick, parrot baby chick. Describe the parrots. The parrots are the green colors and they could to speak properly for listening to the human, and their favorite foods are chili and guava and other fruits. They have a beak and circles on the neck. Noun. What is noun? Noun understand the name of the persons or things. Kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, measureless noun, and abstract noun. Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjections. What is pronoun? Pronoun understand instead of the noun. He is swimming. What is verb? Verb understand actions or origin. He is jumping. Jumping verb.